Good morning, Ms. Riana Bakari and all of my friends who are watching this video. So, we are from Group 7. We're going to presentation about our project that is English for Banking. So, there is Rosatul Mona, Cynthia Caroline, Natasha Zahra Swato, Dianti Arta Lumban Raja, and Evita Adelia Prastami. So, the first I will tell you guys about bank account and why banking is important. First, bank account. English for banking is one of the specific terms that English has, which includes a discussion on using the language for various needs related to banking, finance, and etc. Most of the existing terms are used to support communication with customers. Banking is important. Why is banking important? Banks are very important in people's lives because they facilitate the exchange of goods and services, collect and distribute public funds, provide information and knowledge, and provide financial guarantees. For that reason, English was finally able to blend in advertence in the midst of the commotion. Next, this slide will be read by Cynthia Caroline.
Okay, English banking terms. Knowing and understanding banking terms is important because it can be used and answered to people who don't know what terms exist in the banking industry. It is enable that there are many terms in banking industry, and then it's not uncommon from differ from one other even though they are the same banking product. And here we will tell you what the terms are usually needed in bank. The first is account. In a bank you can have checking account, is saving account, and then the second is credit. Credit is money you receive in your bank account or the money a bank lends you. And then the third is debit. This is money taken out of your banking account, and then or money you owe. And then loans. Student loans are used by borrowers to pay for education fees. And then 7 is debt. Debt is a sum of money that you can also the word in the general way. If you're the debit to someone, it can mean the favor or grateful for something. For the continual discussion of the terms will be discussion by Mona.
If you borrow money from you will need to pay it back. In addition to this, you will need to pay interest. The amount of interest is decided by an interest rate, which is calculated for a given period of time. If you have a saving account, the bank will pay you interest for being able to use your money over a certain period of time. Section. Next, standing order. This means an arrangement to make regular fixed payment automatically from one's account. Standing order are different from direct debits because the amount paid cannot vary. 15. Deferred payment. A deferred payment is a payment that postponed or put for a later date or cannot complete the transaction when you would normally complete it. Okay, the next discussion will be discussed by Dianti.
Okay, next discussion is talking about handling complaint. First is about understanding handling complaint. Handling complaint is a technique of handling or managing customer complaint quickly, accurately, and satisfactorily, so that customers satisfied. Our attitude in service customer must be arranged in such a way appearance. Any customer-oriented organization need to provide opportunity and easy access and convenience for its customer to submit suggestion, criticism, their opinions, and complaint. Customer complaint are the less customer satisfaction caused by potential financial losses suspected to be due to bank error or negligence. Regarding handling complaint will be continued by Evita Delia.
Okay, I will explain about complaint type. First is mechanical complaint. The type of complaint caused by an error that occur on equipment in the bank. For example, broken ATM machine so that it cannot be used by customer to carry out transaction. 2 is attitudinal complaints. Type of complaints caused to for employee have a bad attitude in serving customer. This can lead to customer disappointment. 3 is service-related complaints. Type of complaint caused by poor service given in a restaurant. For example, the customer is too old waiting due to slow service. 4 is usual complaint. A customer can also make complaints due to the absence of a special room for non-smoker, or because of the uncomfortable in the bank, so that customer feel uncomfortable. Next, how to handle complaints. Alternative strategies to deal with complaint. First is doing right at the first time, or do the best first time. The companies strive to satisfy all customers in the first opportunity, avoid any errors in providing service to customer. 2 is service recovery, or improve service quality. Company allow disconnect to take place for service for some customer, but then encourage them to complain and complete the complaint properly. I think that's all from our presentation. If there have a mistake, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.